Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I want to talk to you about your use of, for example, a Weekend Warrior or even a VH700. These are wet blast cabinets that have a manual overflow valve. What that means is that you're going to have to manually open this valve once you finish blasting a part. So the idea is that you have 18 gallons of water inside this cabinet, you have 25 pounds of abrasive. While you're blasting, your agitation system is suspending that abrasive in the water, therefore bringing it to the gun for your surface finishing. When you finish blasting your part, you need to wait about 2 minutes to allow the abrasive to settle to the bottom of the inside of the hopper so that when you open that overflow valve, it will drain mostly water. Now you'll lose some abrasive, but for the most part, you're losing water and not your abrasive. So while you're blasting your parts, if you have the overflow valve open, you're losing much of your abrasive. That's the white color that you're seeing when this is draining. If you wait for the abrasive to settle, it's going to be a lot clearer, which means the abrasive is not being lost as much as when you do it while you're blasting. The idea is just keep that abrasive inside your cabinet, only drain the water after you've allowed the abrasive to settle for about 2 minutes, and then that's going to keep your recycling, your rinse water clean. If you have any questions, give us a call. It's 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.